In the comments section, at Blessed Toy 96 shared a creepy experience. One early morning, a little after 5 a.m., she heard a familiar voice call her name through her window. It sounded like her cousin who passed away, so she didn't answer. The following night, she was too terrified to sleep. She put salt at her window, hoping to run the Duppy. She eventually fell asleep, and her cousin Duppy visited her in her dream. Her cousin asked her if she know long VCR, and if she know cook. She told the rotten navel no.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
The Duppy says she go up her son yard, and from that night the son sick, cause the Duppy start feed with him. Next night, the young lady hear the Duppy call her name again. She didn't answer, but when she looked outside her window, she saw the Duppy walk past and said later she come back. Like and follow Jamaican True Stories for more.